So what are we doing here, Ryan?
We're back! Back again.
I think
Okay.
that's copyrighted.
Shut up. My terrible singing will never be copyrighted.
I guess so.
Okay, so we're here in the 2010 Ford Focus here. We're replacing the radio in it because it just doesn't work, and I'm gonna update it. Here. As you see here, we got the panel that was on top of here taken out. That panel.
It's just clipped in.
So it's just clipped in. Started right here. There were when you took off the boot right here.
Off.
Yeah, make sure you take off the boot on that one. But off of this one, there you found the clips.
There's just a couple clips that hold it in.
Hold it there.
We're working on the
And now
part.
we're about to take off the 2 screws, 7mm.
I think. Yeah.
This will work for, I believe, 2007 to 2011 Ford Focuses. They're all practically same. Cody's losing screws right here.
I'm about to drop it again.
He's about to drop it again. Oh,
Put that in a cup holder.
Mr. Magician. What cup holder? I don't see.
This one right here. Detachable cup holder. That's what all the new kids are doing. So just pull out.
Okay, we got both of them out.
There's definitely something else holding it in here. Actually.
Oh, stuff and things are moving when we can get this off. Back again. So we pulled vents out. There's 2 bolts here, also 7mm, that he's pulling out right now to hopefully be able to get the rest of this. You will need to at least pop these this side and this side loose to be able to get get some more room. You won't necessarily have to take them off, but
well, this one's got that stupid 1 bolt hanging on there that's backwards.
yeah, but what you gonna do? Okay, we got those 2 bolts out, and now the sucker is coming loose.
Pop that piece probably off.
Yeah, there you go.
And then she's out.
For the most part,
Now you just gotta detach all this wiring.
all the wiring.
Start with that.
Pretty self-explanatory, but you can see all the stuff in here that you need to detach, as you will also be detaching it if you're following along. Okay, once you get all the clips out of this, which there was about 3 here, got 2 more here, here, back of the radio, you'll be able to just come right out. Now we're gonna, what I'm doing, I'm only replacing the radio. So I'm taking these out so I can put them into the new one that I got right there. So we will start unclipping these. Looks like there's just clips here, and there's some hex screws around this.
Big ass radio.
Yes, it is. Big ass radio, it doesn't fucking work. Okay, we got all the things we need to get out. You can see the only real difference. I can send a link in our description of the one I got here for anybody that wants to test it out. You can see it's practically all the same though, up until where I can put a bigger, different radio up here. So that's what I'll do. I'm just gonna leave this stuff in because I don't need it. So, and I had to pull that out so I could get my disc back that was stuck in there. So now we'll throw this part together.
These ones just pop in.
Yeah, from the other side. This was on this side. Like that. Just like that. Perfect. Those ones also go somewhere. And they have two hex screws.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see on the inside.
Pop back in, don't we?
Yeah.
And the screws back on.
Yep. Here we go.
That's quite awesome. Just get screwed back in.
Other side. Everything comes from backside.
And it's just all get screwed back in.
It looks pretty good. Throw it back in.
Yeah, screwdriver.
With my midget screwdriver. Pretty simple stuff here. Okay, so finishing touches of this. I got a little whole box here. I can throw my phone in or something. As you can see here, I'm just gonna put a little radio here for now. It does come with some things that you could, if you want to go with like the 6-inch screen or so. It comes with stuff to prepare you for that, which is nice, and I will probably upgrade to that eventually. They have different, you won't be using the old ones that come off of here. They do give you some. They kind of just clip into these little circles right here, so you can see he's putting them in. Tempting to, anyways. A lot of room right there, it looks like.
We should have put those on before we put that piece on.
I think you got this one on sideways. Maybe. I'm not sure. I mean, it looks. I don't know. We'll figure it out though, and we'll get back to you. A little throwback here, just to help you guys out. Make sure you put the 2 side clips in before you put the AC unit or whatever, weather control unit, climate control unit in, because no bueno. So there's a tip for you guys. Here we are, attaching it back in. Everything's going real smooth. You just got to make sure you got those clips at the right angle. But I mean, other than that, it's going well. It's pretty nice though. It fits perfect. No complaints. I mean,
Just gotta figure out some wiring for the radio yet, but
yeah.
it's a whole different.
Yeah, that's part of the radio. But I mean, this works pretty well. I like it. Putting this one in now. It just pops back in.
Yeah, just make sure there's a couple clips here that need to be attached.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it just pops back on, and you should pop back on. I'm gonna put the vent back in.
Yeah. Vents. Pops back in. Yeah. There we go. Can't really tell what's going on there. A little bit. A little unaligned there, but I mean.